Kritito Chakma, my boy, came from Khagrasuri district. So yesterday at evening at 3:30, no, they came in our office. Now we are staying beside Raspberry Road. You know, Raspberry Road. This place is very famous in Rangamati district, and my boy came with his mother. So I am very excited to. Yesterday I was very excited, and today also, because tomorrow we have a program. We are going to make a music video. So I am going to make a music video with his mother, and we will share our screen together. That's why they they came in Rangamati. So the boy, he is my boy, no? So he also very excited because it has been long time we are not meeting with each other, and you know, those who are father in the world and those who are son in the world, they have very much loving moment with each other, but we are unlucky person in the world that we are not meeting daily, because we do service in far place. That's why it's impossible to meet with our family. So my boy stay with his mother and I stay in Rangamati. So there is maybe about 80 kilo from Rangamati to Khagrachuri, and from Khagrachuri district they stay 10 kilo. So in total, if you count, and there will be maybe 100 kilo from Rangamati district, no? So they came yesterday. So now we are just getting the fresh environment in Rangamati. So just you see, from here you are able to enjoy the beauty scene of Kaptai Lake, no? Very famous Kaptai Lake. Just you see. Let's see. Let's see. So far there is Kaptai Lake, and before a while I took away my son in Kaptai Lake, and we had a good time with each other, no? And my boy is also very excited. So totally we are very excited, and we are very happy. So and tomorrow is coming very excited moment with each other, and I'm going to make a music video with his mother, and there is going to make a beautiful memory. So just you wait for the magic moment with his mother. So in future you will, at next time you are lucky person, because there is going to make memory of history now. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Did it talk? Okay, say everyone bye bye. Bye bye. Say them bye bye. Kona, bye bye. Kona, bye bye. You say bye bye, everyone. Everyone is waiting for your bye bye. Yesterday he was very excited. That's why yesterday he said bye bye. But today he is not agree to say bye bye. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.